Namaste everyone. This is M. Srinivasulu, English faculty from DAV High School, Arnavika Township. Today I am here to introduce you second session of class 9th English with face sheet and style sheet interaction. And we will get into the style sheet and face sheet interaction of the theme called humor with three different readings that already we were mentioned. That A reading with the snake and the mirror, B reading with the duck and the kangaroo, that's a poem, and C reading Little Bob. And now I have a style sheet with me at the first, that is including humor at the end of it, that is a thematical concept of this particular unit. And already I have told you about A reading, B reading and C reading, that also are mentioned here. A reading, the snake and the mirror, B reading, the duck and the kangaroo, that's a poem, C reading, Little Bobby. Now you can see there is a picture below here. The cats are seen both sides of a chessboard and they are resembling that they are playing chess. Do you think is it real? Absolutely it is not real. It's an imaginary creation, and also we think that the humanistic aspect is trialed by the animals like cats in the picture. And here anything that is humanistic aspect was trialed by animals, naturally it emits laughter, thus it ends up with the amusement. And here if you can add one more imaginary concept, like we wear all dress, human beings wear dress. If it is animals also wear dress, and we all go to school and colleges, and animals also come and join us in the classes, how funny it look like. So anything that is of humans, if it is applied to the animals, that definitely emit a great humor. So that is indicated in the picture given here in the style sheet. Now let us move on to the face sheet interaction of the first unit called humor. Now if you can observe the picture very closely, there is a line looking at its reflection on the surface of the waters in the well, and it is now feeling little angry. There is a story behind it I would like to tell you. One day a lion in the forest declared that it is a king of the jungle and started hunting the animals without any mercy countlessly. So all the animals gathered in a meeting and they decided that they would go to the cave of the lion per a day, one animal. So one day it was a turn of a rabbit, and it was not willing to sacrifice its life for a lion's meal. So it went to the cave of the lion little late. And the angry lion asked the rabbit, why did it come late to his cave? So the rabbit replied, there was another majesty, there was another lion who declared that it is a king of the jungle, stopped me, your majesty, so I could not able to come. After escaping from him, I could able to reach you, the rabbit said. So the lion felt very angry and asked the rabbit to show where the other lion was residing. So the rabbit led the lion to the well and asked the lion to see into the well. When the lion saw there was a reflection of him and thought that there is another lion inside there, so it roared loudly, and this resonating sound from the well also is seen here. So it thought and decided there is another lion residing in the well, jumped into the well and thus died. So here what else? Thinking that there is another living organism like him on the surface of the water resembling like in the well is really humor and really imaginary. And if you can see the questions below given here, and for our convenience I have written on the board. Once have a look at the questions below here. What did the lion do on looking at its own reflection? I read the question once again. What did the lion do on looking at its own reflection? there are three options provided. Enjoyed its beauty, felt threatened, felt angry. Enjoyed its beauty, we know very well. Looking at ourselves into the mirror and admiring ourselves. Like some people, they admire their handsomeness, some they go admiring their beauty. Second one, you can have felt threatened. This threatened had different meanings, and there is like a be dangerous of and give a warning of, something like that. Contextually, we take give a warning of, approximately it is correct. And coming to the other option, we have felt angry. So in the picture provided, when we come to the conclusion of this question answer, and let us go for felt angry is absolutely right. As it is in the story, a lion felt very angry for the existence of other king in the jungle, so it went there to kill it. So it felt angry looking at its reflection on the surface of the water. That is one. And there is another question provided here, second question. If you can see the question very closely here. Have you heard or read a story of a pet or an animal looking into a mirror? I read it once again. Have you heard or read a story of a pet or an animal looking into a mirror? Naturally, we have not aware that there are some stories where animals admiring their beauty looking into the mirror. In this context, I would like to make you remind one more small story. In the primary classes, we were aware once there was a hungry dog found a bone and was walking on the bridge. When it was walking on the bridge, it saw its reflection on the waters of the river from the bridge. And then, as it is holding a bone in his mouth, and it is also have seen the bone down on the surface, and it felt there was another dog had another bone with it. So it wanted to take that bone also. It felt very greedy, and thus it started barking at the particular reflection, thought it is another dog. Thus, the bone in the mouth fell into the waters and floated away. So, in the story we identify, never be greedy. Here in the point also saying, we were not aware that there is an animal or anything else looking into the mirror and admiring its beauty. But this is now the humanistic aspect, undoubtedly. The human beings only, they admire their beauty, looking into the mirror, spending hours. But there is no such we identify that animals or any pets, they got into this activity of admiring their beauty, looking into the mirror. Now, in this lesson, we have a reading, the snake and the mirror. The snake in the story looks into the mirror, admiring its beauty, is a contextual humor created by the author Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. In the upcoming session, my dear students, we will see the opening lines and the title discussion of the reading called The Snake and the Mirror, and I would like to ask you all to read the lines of reading The Snake and the Mirror, and please practice 2 pages of your cursive writing so that you make your handwriting more elegant and beautiful. And thank you very much, children, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you all.